Thank you.
Welcome to the past. I hope all your dreams and loved ones last. And I pray that you're always in love. what you meant to me. But I'm haunted by a ghost in my soul, taunted by memories that will never grow old. I wish you were laying by my side, whispering secrets and telling sweet lies. It's been a cold, cold summer, without you here with me. And I'm just trying to find, yeah, I'm just starting to see what you meant to me.